Hey guys! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today, we will make delicious Ube Macapuno cake roll. Let's get baking! We will need 1 cup of cake flour, 1 quart of white sugar, 4 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or canola oil, 1/3 cup of fresh milk, 1/4 cup of ube jam, 3 teaspoons of ube extract, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the meringue, we will need 4 egg whites, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. In a bowl, add the egg yolks and the white sugar and whisk them together until it becomes pale yellow. Then add the milk and the oil and mix them together. Add in the ube extract and continue mixing. Then add the ube jam and mix them together until well incorporated. Now, sift together the cake flour, baking powder, and the salt. And mix them together until it becomes smooth and well combined. In another bowl, add the egg whites and using a hand mixer, beat them until it becomes frothy. Once it is already frothy, add the cream of tartar and continue beating until soft peaks are formed. Then, gradually add the sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks are achieved. Now, add half of the cake mixture and gently fold it into the meringue. Now, pour the cake mixture into the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then, using a spatula, smooth it evenly. Bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And before baking, give it a tap. This is to remove some air bubbles. After baking, let this cool for like 5 minutes first before flipping it. Now, cover it with another baking paper and a wire rack and flip it over. Then, peel off the parchment paper. Cut about 1 to 2 inches in the longer side. And cut another on the shorter side of the cake. We're going to use this later for the cake crumbs. And while the cake is still warm, sprinkle some icing sugar on top of it to prevent it from sticking once we rolled it. Now, slowly roll the cake. And let this cool to room temperature in a wire rack. For the frosting, we will need 2 cups of heavy cream or double cream, half cup of white sugar, 180 grams of cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In another bowl, add the cream cheese and cream it for a few seconds. Then add the sugar and cream them together. Add in the vanilla extract. Continue beating. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Then add the cream and beat it until stiff peaks are achieved. Until it becomes like this. While we are waiting for our cake to cool, just pop this in the fridge to chill. Now we will make crumbs. Put the cake into a food processor. And blitz it until it becomes fine crumbs. And this is what it looks like after. By the way, I would like to thank my friend Rose for giving me this food processor. It's really helpful. Now, unroll the cake and frost it with our cream cheese frosting. Smooth the frosting evenly. Then roll it slowly. Now we will frost our cake. By the way, it doesn't have to be perfect as we're gonna be covering this with crumbs later. Now, cover the cake with the cake crumbs that we made a while ago. Now, put macapuno string on top of the cake. Now, pipe some rosettes on top of the macapuno string. And here's our finished product! This ube roll cake is really delicious and is full of ube flavor. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!